Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we've got something truly special lined up for you. A car that has been on the wish list of luxury and performance enthusiasts around the globe. I'm talking about the all-new 2026 BMW M8. A perfect blend of aggressive styling, breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and sheer luxury. The M8 has always represented the peak of BMW's M division, and this latest model is no exception. If you've ever dreamed of a car that can dominate the racetrack while keeping you wrapped in the comfort of a 5-star suite, this machine is going to blow your mind. Stick around as we dive into every detail, from the bold exterior design to the powerhouse under the hood, the ultra-refined interior, and of course, the price tag that comes with such an engineering masterpiece. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BMW M8 commands attention the moment it comes into view. The proportions are long, low, and muscular, giving it an unmistakable presence whether it's sitting in your driveway or flying down the Autobahn. BMW has refined the design language even further this year with sharper body lines, a more sculpted front fascia, and an updated kidney grille that perfectly balances aggressiveness with elegance. The front bumper integrates larger air intakes to optimize airflow and cooling, while the sleek adaptive LED headlights, with BMW's laser technology, add a futuristic touch and enhance night visibility. Moving to the side profile, the coupe silhouette flows seamlessly with aerodynamic curves, while bold fender flares house massive 21-inch forged alloy wheels that are not just stylish, but also lightweight for better handling. At the back, the quad exhaust setup, carbon fiber diffuser, and a subtle yet functional rear spoiler send a clear message that this car is designed to perform at the highest level. To top it all off, BMW offers a palette of exclusive paint finishes and optional carbon exterior packages that add even more personality and aggression to the car's overall stance. Now let's talk performance, because the M8 is much more than just good looks. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing an earth-shaking 670 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque in a competition trim. This immense power is paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission that shifts with lightning speed, and the latest version of BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which allows you to channel that power exactly where you need it. Whether you're looking for the stability of all-wheel drive in poor conditions or the thrill of a rear-wheel drive burnout, the M8 gives you the flexibility to choose. Acceleration is nothing short of brutal, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds flat, putting it toe-to-toe with some of the world's most expensive supercars. BMW has also worked extensively on refining the suspension system, incorporating adaptive dampers and a newly calibrated chassis for sharper handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Add in the carbon ceramic brakes for uncompromised stopping power, and you have a machine that is just as comfortable tearing up a racetrack as it is cruising on the highway. The exhaust note has also been tuned to perfection, with a deep, thunderous growl that can turn into a spine-tingling roar when you open it up in Sport Plus mode. Of course, BMW knows that a true flagship car must deliver not only in terms of raw power, but also in terms of luxury and comfort. Step inside the 2026 BMW M8, and you're greeted by a cabin that is both driver-focused and opulently crafted. Premium merino leather upholstery, with optional two-tone or bespoke finishes, covers the sculpted sports seats that offer both comfort and incredible lateral support. Carbon fiber and Alcantara accents are tastefully integrated throughout, alongside customizable ambient lighting that allows you to set the mood for every drive. At the heart of the dashboard is BMW's curved display, featuring a massive high-resolution infotainment screen seamlessly integrated with a digital driver's cluster. The latest iDrive 9 system runs smoother and faster than ever, giving you access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with intuitive touch, voice, or gesture controls. For audiophiles, the optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system delivers a concert hall experience right in the cabin. Rear seat passengers are treated to surprising comfort for a grand tour, making the M8 more versatile than many of its rivals. Every element inside the M8 has been designed to elevate the driving experience, from the stitched leather dashboard to the heated and ventilated seats, even down to the crystal gear selector that sparkles like jewelry. When it comes to safety and technology, BMW has packed the M8 with an array of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking come standard, while optional semi-autonomous driving functions make long journeys more relaxing. The head-up display is sharper and more informative than ever, projecting key information right onto the windshield without distracting the driver. Now, let's address the price, because a car of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The 2026 BMW M8 starts at around $145,000 for the base coupe model, while the competition version, with all the performance upgrades and luxury options, can easily push the price north of $165,000. Add in exclusive paint finishes, carbon fiber packages, and high-end audio, and you're looking at a price closer to $180,000 fully loaded. While it may sound like a steep investment, it's important to remember that the M8 competes not just with other luxury sports coupes, but with full-fledged supercars from brands like Porsche, Aston Martin, and even Ferrari. And when you factor in its balance of performance, daily usability, advanced tech, and unmatched luxury, the M8 stands out as one of the most complete packages on the market today. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M8 is not just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who demand uncompromising performance without sacrificing luxury. For those who want a car that thrills on the track, but soothes on the daily commute. With its striking exterior, immense power, opulent interior, and cutting-edge features, the new M8 is proof that BMW still knows how to deliver the ultimate driving machine. Whether you're a die-hard BMW enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this car is going to leave a lasting impression. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 BMW M8. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews coming your way. See you in the next video.